This tool saves you hours, every single day. And here's how it works. You input your topic and let the AI do the heavy lifting. Next-level AI writing assistants can help you rapidly produce written content for your side hustle without spending hours staring at a blinking cursor. But what if you're not a designer? Enter AI image creation tools like DALL-E or Midjourney. Just describe the kind of image you want and let the AI generate it for you. No graphic design skills required. One of the biggest challenges for any online business is getting found by customers. Does manually optimizing your site get the job done? Yes, but it's a nightmare of complexity and time suck. What if I told you there were apps that could analyze top content, spot exactly what makes it rank, then spit out detailed recommendations to turbocharge your pages? That's where ClearScope or MarketMuse come in. These AI-powered SEO tools are like cheat codes for search engines. Does it work? Yes, consistently. And the best part, they're not hard to learn or use. Just plug in your keywords and let them do their magic. Here's the thing. By implementing an AI-driven SEO strategy, you can get your site ranked higher and discovered by more potential customers. That means more eyeballs on your products or services, and more sales coming your way. What are you waiting for? Give these tools a try today. And stay tuned, because I've got even more underutilized AI apps in my back pocket, ready to supercharge your business. One can automatically manage and optimize your online ads 24/7. But first, hit subscribe so you don't miss out on the next video. Trust me, you won't want to miss this.